Welcome back to Your Biz Live. We're going to continue talking with Ryan Fogelman from Preval and learn about their amazing spray system that will allow you to turn any paint into a spray paint. Great for custom color projects.
You're watching YBLTV.
Ryan, you have a product here that will turn almost anything into an aerosol, which can come in really handy when people are wanting to work with custom colors.
Absolutely.
Tell me about that.
So this is the Preval sprayer. This product is a hidden secret. It's been around for 50 years. So basically, you put any paint or any sort of liquid in. You follow the instructions on the package because you do have to thin it. But it's as simple as placing the top on and then spraying. It's that simple. It does about 16 ounces, so it'll do about 3 jars. And what's nice is this is a throwaway, so you basically, it comes with a pack, and you can you have a nice, some of your paint for a touch-up. So we also have a product called this is called the V-Grip. So what's nice is it kind of turns it in, makes it a little bit easier to spray, so you can use all your fingers and spray. This is used for crafting, it's used for interiors, it's used for touch-ups. So, a couple of things, if you go online and you look at Preval plus any project, someone has done a project with it. So a lot of kids these days are spraying their shoes. So and I say kids these days, I guess I'm old, but they spray their shoes and they change with heat and with water. So I think with that, then also we have chalk paints, you can spray glitters through these. And then, it's also used for forensics, for blood spattering, because it's got a perfect spray. We do have a pre-grow version of it, so you can do custom recipes for nourishment and for fertilizers and pest control, other things like that. So if you believe in the environment and you want to mix your own, you can take care of it with a pre-grow spray. So what I'm going to show you now, this is our vFan, and our vFan is a portable airbrush. So it's a really nice airbrush. It's theoretically inexpensive, and what's nice about it is that it comes with 150 feet of energy, and the energy has threads on it, so you can actually hook this in replace of a compressor, and then you can use that as a way to do a portable airbrush. So we do carry that, and then we also carry, this is the airbrush. It's a better option, but this is our gravity-fed airbrush, and it's used a lot in automotive. But it's if you go online, this has got some great feedback. It's a really nice tool, especially for the money.